we're going to mess with is the door striker bolt bushings on the Bronco. Yeah, my back hurts really bad today. I've got to do something. So let's put door striker bolt bushings on the Bronco. It's quite an easy job. You can buy them anywhere, your local parts store, for nothing. What we're going to do is use our T47, I believe. Yeah, T47 torque bit to remove the striker bolt. And it's already loose because I had already loosened it. I wonder, I have to be real careful to make sure that the back doesn't fall off. I know it's not a common occurrence, but it's still possible to happen. And I'm going to pull the little cover off here to get the little catch, or whatever you want to call it, off. And we'll slide on the new bushing. So, check this out. Right, I have Chip here as my witness. Upon further inspection, do you remember earlier in the episode when I showed you guys that there were two different sets of bushings? Well, I was cleaning up my mess from replacing the rear door striker bolt bushings, and I noticed something else. Missing a bushing. Who would have known? So look at that. Tailgate bushings. I had no idea those were even there.
And they rattle. This tailgate does rattle.
It does rattle. And guess what, ladies and gentlemen? This video has now become a how-to video on tailgate striker bushings. Centurion Bronco. Action. We're going to go ahead and do a before shot. Notice how it rattles. Shake on it.
A lot of rattling coming from the...
Yep.
Right from the striker position.
All right. It happened. What I told you guys when I was doing the back door to be careful of happened to me just now on the tailgate. But luckily, I think I can take the tail light off here and access it. Might even put me another tack weld on there. Phillips head.
Put pressure on me, I can't get it. While you're getting filmed, slip it again.
You just have to go with it, man. Reality show.
Yeah, it's like when you're getting filmed, it's like you hit, like, it's weird.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah, I'll be messing up and stuff. Usually I can do something real easy, and if I'm on film, I'll be messing up.
Here comes the boss lady.
Your Uncle Stan is here.
Yeah. All right. Can I have some Mountain Dew? Awesome. Oh, I'm sorry. Some of this beverage.
It's like, what's the opposite?
I'm sorry, I was thirsty.
Pill mist?
Yeah. Yeah.
Your Uncle Stan is out front.
Okay. Okay. Here with the tail light out, you can see how they've made it this little catch thing here to hold the washer, and there's the nut. So it may or may not have, I don't know what that was. Somebody downshifted too soon. All right, so what we're gonna do is, just like we did on the front, we're gonna unscrew that, install a new bushing. Wow, look at that. Tighter than a virgin on prom night. Not around here. Look at that. Look at the tightness. Look at that, dog.
No wiggle.
No wiggle wiggle.
No wiggle, no wobble.
No wiggle, no wobble. Spring loaded tailgate. Beautiful. All right, how we gonna put it back together?